Hi, my name is Anna and I will help you to integrate your website with Push Push Go. First, you need to create an account. Enter your website URL, your business email to which your temporary password will be sent, and your phone number. Great, you successfully created your account. Now, let's go to the Installation tab. There are two types of integration. Simple manual integration. With simple manual integration, you will have double opt-in subscription form and our domain will appear in your notification. The integration is very easy. Just paste the code into the head or body section of the website or Google Tag Manager. And integration with your own domain. If you would like to have one opt-in and to hide the information about us, as a provider, you should choose the integration with your own domain. Firstly, download the scripts, unpack it, and put it in the root path of your server. Then, copy the given code and paste it into the head or body section of your website or in Google Tag Manager. After you did this, you have to click this button to check if the integration went successfully. Now, when you refresh the page, the sign-up form will be already there. You can subscribe to notifications. Information about the first subscriber is already in the app. Congratulations! You successfully integrated your site with Push Push Go and now you can collect subscribers and send your first campaigns.